Alright, here we go. We got these 3 buildings on the complex. And I have an Ethan. And I hope we have a pre-Lexan in here that's still original. I hope that it's still there. Because this will be my first pre-Lexan. And yours too. Let's see. Moment of truth. Hang on.
What?
Just wait a second. Okay, ready? Nope, it is. Let's see. It's still here. Yes! Oh my god. Oh my god. Fortunately, the fan's on.
Wait, that's already zoomed in. Oops.
Doesn't have the classic leveling.
Now you can see straight in the door.
Oh wow. Oh my god. Phone time.
Right now, emergency light.
Yep. Look at that.
Ooh. I got static electricity.
It's maintained by Otis. Yeah, I want you to press it this time.
Three seems to be the most boring.
I wish the fan wasn't on though. It's had a good motor.
It's got a neat keys.
That's, yeah.
Bouncy.
Let me get this.
Otis. Okay.
Yeah, you get one. Oh man.
What are
Yeah.
these do?
Inch up, inch down.
Do they work?
I have no idea. I've never tried. There's your indicator that's completely burnt. Does that have plastic leveling down here? Nope.
Let's see.
Nope.
There's absolutely nothing in normal service. You done?
I want to see the call button on too.
This is awesome. Quite fancy.
Oh wow. Oh
I
wow.
want to see them.
Yeah, go for it. Is there? C310. Oh wow. This is epic. I'm so happy this is still original.
This is my first one.
My first one too. You know what? I think I'm gonna do.
Elevator company.
Yeah. We'll do one more ride because I can't get enough of this.
I can. And it does not have its bumper replaced foam. Oh, it's wood. You got a mirror. Really dark right now.
This is epic.
Oh,
I love this elevator.
I want to get a picture of the buttons.
Oh, go for it. Send it up to 3 when you get the chance. Let me get a picture of the Otis plate down
I
there.
don't know if I took it. It's probably got an infinite door timer.
Let me get the Yeah, it's got its original motor. Oh, wow. That works. That is epic. That is epic. There's another C3. I love this. Oh my god. That is beautiful. What do you think of that?
That is awesome.
Anyways, that's it.